So let's talk about under your kitchen sink. Under your kitchen sink, you have your drain, your P-trap here. You have this, actually, this is an option to have a dishwasher vent. This pipe right here is the dishwasher drain going up to the vent up above the sink and then down into your drain here. This little cap here, this stainless steel cap, if you take that off, that's a clean out for your plumbing system. If you have any clogs, you can snake through that clean out there. This shut off here is a 90-degree turn, just like that. And that is for your dishwasher. That's hot water to your dishwasher. A lot of people ask me what this little cylinder looking thing is. That is a water hammer arrestor. So when your water turns off quickly, it hits the pipe hard and it can wiggle those pipes and loosen them up over time. So that water hammer arrestor will help with that water hammer. These two shutoffs here are for your sink, kitchen sink faucet. There's cold on the right, hot on the left. Same thing, it's a 90-degree turn. Super simple. And then there's a little weight right here going up and down. That is for your kitchen sink faucet. So it'll pull it back up into position. Yeah, if your kitchen sink faucet isn't wanting to come back up, the first thing to check is that weight. So if you let go of this faucet and it doesn't come back up, and it sits like that, make sure your weight underneath is not getting caught up on anything. So one thing I tell every customer is to keep an eye on this area. The P-trap under the sinks are the weakest point in the plumbing system, and you tend to see small drips. So just keep an eye on that. Like every couple of months, just look under there. If you don't notice it, you can have a ruined cabinet from it. So